Okay, so now that we've got our blank template, if you like, and what we're going to do now is make changes and link these sections together. What I want you to do is close that for a second, and I'm just going to go in my split view and basically change this because it's going to really bug me. I'm just going to make that 590 to what it should be, so it lines up nicely. And click refresh, and there you'll see, if I go to my design view, it's now spot on. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is save this file and go back to our site folder, and what we've now done is created our index file. Now we'll make changes. I'll show you how to make a proper index file. We'll put the meta tagging in to help Google to find the site, etc. Now what we need to do is, this is really going to act as our template of our design for our newly created pages. So in other words, if we click on the About page, it will take us to About page, and if we click on Portfolio, it will take us to the Portfolio page. What we've actually done is we've created a template, and what we're going to do is use this template for these existing pages. So what I'm going to do is, I want you to simply copy and paste the index file 4 times. So I'm just going to cheat and do this really quickly, and what I want you to do is relabel the first one, the first copy, About, and relabel the second one, Portfolio, or whatever you've named them, and Clients, and Contact. Okay, so what we've basically have done now is we've created our index file, and we've then created an About file. So the only difference is that visually it will look like the same file. There will visually, at this moment in time, there will be no change. However, over here it will say index.html. For the About page it will say about.html, and here it will say portfolio.html. So basically when the user clicks on the About page, it will say about.html. So if my domain name was University of Westminster, if I clicked on the About section, it would be University of Westminster /about.html. So that's really good, and it's really important to use appropriate names when developing web pages. Next video, I'll show you how to link these together.